Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. My mornings aren't about tedious, long routines that are just aesthetic and super unattainable. They're actually 10 intentional minutes that set up my entire day. So today, I'm sharing my morning planning ritual, which actually starts the night before, that helps me stay focused, organized, and stress-free. Now, let's get into what happens the night before. Step 1, brain sweep. I quickly jot down anything lingering from today or tasks that I didn't finish in today's workday. Any unanswered emails, errands, or just any ideas. This clears the clutter before I close out for the day. Step 2, choose my top 3. I write down the 3 tasks that matter most for tomorrow. If everything else falls apart but I finish these, it will still be a successful day. Step 3, time check. I open my Google Calendar and block time for priorities. I also review meetings and family commitments, so there are no surprises for tomorrow. My husband, my son, and myself share a Google Calendar, and this really just helps us stay aligned for bigger events. Now that concludes what I do for the night before. Now let's get into the morning. Step 4, content check. If I'm filming, posting, or running a campaign, I check my content calendar to make sure I know what's going out for the day. Step 5. Then I look over everything that I did the night before. I do like to do a lot of this the night before because I really like to wake up and know exactly what I need to do. So the only things that I do in the morning are look over my content calendar as well as time block for the entire day. I already have my to-dos and tasks written down, so I just delineate them in time blocks so that I can achieve everything that I want to. I also like to write down something that I'm grateful for, 1 to 2 things. I do have a daily gratitude journal, but this particular day I just wrote it in my weekly reflection section of my productivity prism planner. This is just what helps me shift my mindset before I dive into a busy work day. And that's it. That's my 10-minute morning planning ritual, which actually starts the night before. So technically in the morning, it really is only 10 minutes. The night before, there is some preparation. So I would say in total, 10 minutes the night before, 10 minutes the morning of, and there you go. Quick, simple, and so powerful. With this system, I know exactly where my focus goes, and I don't waste time guessing what to do next. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more planning routines, productivity tips, and behind the scenes of running multiple businesses. Comment below and let me know, what's the first thing you do every morning to help you feel organized? Thanks again for being here. I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!